right now, live, what is going on here is that all of these agents are working in parallel. All of them. Here we have the orchestrator that will gonna take care of all executive tasks. And at the same time here, we have a speaker that we can press on. Welcome everyone to SEO OS, your full-on SEO operating system. Here we have the main orchestrator here. Wait, let me put the music maybe a little bit louder so you'll be able to hear. Maybe the background. You can play music here. Orchestrator will take care of everything. We have sub-agents for the tasks that will take care of everything. Here we're talking about full audit. Here we're talking about Google Suite. Here we're talking about technical SEO audit, content, schema, and everything else. So guys, this is based on Claude SEO. So if you don't know Claude SEO, so this is the exact same thing. All of the agents available here, I just put them inside an office. So I wanted to showcase you exactly how the overall work, how Claude SEO is working. And additionally here, what I did, I just hooked a brain. So this is an Obsidian vault. So I think many people right now know already what Obsidian is. So it's files, it's text, it's markdown files. Here mostly it's a template. It's a mini marketing brain. So if you don't know about a marketing brain, exactly what it is. So template for different sort of businesses that can be set. So everything here is running in parallel, as you see right now here. We have agents thinking, we have agents doing their work, we have agents that are still working right now, still loading. For example, this is for keyword research. Here we have the orchestrator that is taking care of most of the things. And guys, here, by the way, all these things, this is like a Windows. This is like an operating system. So that was the intention here. That's what the name is, SEO OS. And it's there, it's live, guys. By the way, it's GitHub. You can try it out, check it on, and look at this. Straight away, we got a reply here from the orchestrator because it was loading. We had right now over 15 things going on in parallel. Although they were succeeded, even here, the keyword agent that we have pressed, it completed his keyword research, for example, for the Claude SEO website, even as you see right out here. And we have relevant graphs with relevant top performing keywords, for example, because for all of these things, guys, just for information, we are using API endpoints from Google and DataForSEO. And look at that. Imagine this is only from one agent. Currently, all of them, how many total here? There were like around 20 running. We have still a few running. So this is the reply here. This is the orchestrator chat that he is in charge of spawning relevant agents. So this is the guy. It looks like me in a way. I can put my glasses, I think, and the cap, it'll look like me. But he is taking care of everything SEO related. You don't need to speak with each and every individual agent. All the chat can be done through him. And even here we have the reports from most of the agents that are taken care of. Even here we can see that it's still loading a few of them. Like for example, here we have this agent, which is the topic cluster agent. He's taking care of clusters right now after a few agents have finished. And right now here even you can see each and every agent exactly what they are doing, what they have done. We have also here the report. For example, here we have the Google Analytics, here we have hreflang auditor, here we have the schema validator if I'm going to open the report, for example, right? So all of them they have their own specific tasks to perform. One is responsible for schema, one is responsible, let's say, for Google, one is responsible for indexing, one is responsible for image generation, for example, right? So much and many more things even here that you can do. So once again, let's even give it a try live with the current orchestrator, because I'm currently in the orchestrator chat. Hey there, Mr. Orchestrator. Can you tell me also if everything was done and if we have anything else missing? And right now, guys, here, by the way, for the base, we are using Claude. Here you can connect 3 models. So far I ensured you can connect your Codex subscription, you can connect your Claude subscription, and you can connect your Gemini. Yeah. So one of these 3. Also, at the same time, if you're using Hermes, I think you can also connect that. It's just a few prompts that were done. So even here, I have asked the orchestrator, hey there, Mr. Orchestrator, Can you tell also if everything was done and if we have anything else missing? So he said that, hey, mostly done, not everything else, not 100%, and the all cut up idle recommendation is touch optimistic. So he gave me here specific insights, and also here, let's say for example, content brief generator. He even told me here about the content brief, the work that was done by this agent right now. Here, I can even open his notes, and here I can even see his past memory. So the same is applicable to each and every agent. So we have complete content brief written. So we have still, we had one more agent to finish. Okay, perfect. So at the same time, I just wanted to check with you, how are my rankings for my website right now? For example, right now, yeah, of course, if I want to make some changes, I can make some changes. If I want to ask some analytics, it can provide me some analytics. If I want to have another, let's say maybe another keyword research on a schema, at the same time, if I want to communicate with the schema validator, right? Because maybe if you have a schema in your company, a schema person, you can easily start a conversation. Hey there, how is my schema? For example, of course, can you ask that? Absolutely yes. I can put even this as another chat, same as it goes on your computer. Oops, I selected all of them by accident. So I can even put this one here, this chat. I can make it smaller. I can even communicate right now maybe with another agent. So let's say cluster. Maybe we can create some clusters. Yes, compare keywords. Okay, keywords. Also, very important topic, right? I can go here, I can ask him, hey there, so based on the keyword research that you have performed, what do you think? Any hidden opportunity or maybe hidden gems that we can rank for straight away, maybe in the next 1 week? For example, of course, because this agent here, the keyword researcher, is specialized in keywords. So can you communicate with all of them in parallel? Absolutely yes. Look at that. And it gives you the perfect answer. Even here, all the inbox and all the information is saved and logged inside. I'll even just okay, this guy has finished. It's saved, guys, inside the brain here, which is our beautiful brain. I'll try to maybe minimize this so you'll be able to see. So once again, everything is saved here, whatever is being performed, everything else. I can even say it manually. Okay, perfect. Can you save it for me inside this brain for tomorrow, right? And it's easy as that. So many agents here, of course, guys, it's still in development, it's still in beta. So far it works, really, it does its job very well. I mean, as you've seen it right now live, I just started this for Claude SEO, boom, it gave me everything. I have here another plan, run this planner. Look at that. It even gives you the CTA, guys, look at that. Here, it gives you the recommendation like what to do next after all the research was accomplished. Straight away, hey, we need to run the beast planner. Hey, we need to run another keyword researcher. Hey, also afterwards, we need just to check the keyword readiness gap. And right now, this is, again, I will even close this chat. It's performing. And we have how many agents right now working in parallel? We have the orchestrator as main. Here we have the beast planner right now that we have just toggled that beast plan, so he's gonna come up with a beast plan so we can rank. Here we have also the topic cluster. Right now here he is working, also he's creating some clusters for us, maybe some topic ideas or something of sort. We have the schema person right now, but I think he has already finished. But you get the overall point. You can jump between chats. Also, I just need to wait right now for it to load because it's working. But so far, everything is live. Guys, it's working quite well. All the agents are working in parallel. Maybe there can be a delay, let's say in graphics, if all of them are working in parallel on your computer. So just make sure you have updated that. But it's doing wonders. Interesting what you can evolve this into. I just made it for fun. I was thinking maybe to make some sort of OS, same as these Hermes agents are being done, you know. At the same time here, guys, you can change your theme. So maybe if you like more to be like in a retro terminal, you can be in a retro terminal. If you want to be in a data center, you can be in a data center. You want to be on the bottom of the ocean, you can be on the bottom of the ocean. So guys, till now, by the way, this application was private in our community, but right now I'm just going to make it public. Yeah, so you're going to find the GitHub link down in the description. Right now, also let me show you an example of how it will look and exactly what is inside our current local SEO OS application. So it's a local first SEO agency operating system. Guys, it's an SEO operating system, just for information. Still in beta, by the way. It will not do everything but all SEOs are doing, but it's almost there. 3D office, as we've seen right now. Here we have the brains, we have the office, AI specialists run audits, all of them in parallel with proper orchestration. So here the main point is that also it's mentioning here that entirely on your machine with your own API keys. Guys, this is not on the web. This is not on the cloud, nowhere else. This is all full local. Here I also have setup. as you can see right now here. And here you will need to connect your API keys. So when we first start, you will need to select between what's your LLM provider, that being Claude, Gemini or Codex, or Anthropic subscription even. You need to make sure that you have Python 3.11. We have Google Cloud CLI and the integrations, which are basically here. It's quite easy to set up, so you will need DataForSEO API for the keyword research. Boom, click here, you log in, you take it. You need Google API key, you click here, you take it. You need to sign in with your Google Cloud, so you will use the Google Cloud CLI, so you can take live, up to date, let's say Google Search Console, base speed analytics, and everything else. We can do it using Google Cloud CLI. So of course, make sure that you have connected Google Cloud CLI. We have Gemini for generating images. So if you want me to generate images, maybe swap them on your page or site or whatever there is, you can do that. And we also have Bing Webmaster to index the pages on Bing, and also Firecrawl for scraping. These two are optional. But of course, you want to ensure that the system will index the pages for you also, right? Even here, you remember this guy was processing, succeeded, boom, pressing on him. For example, I will then make him full screen, guys. You can drag and drop. You can have open note, which is basically his notes that he was taking during the research, and then we also have the report that he has presented to us. So this is the ultimate beast plan, for example, that the current beast planner has come up with for the current website, which is claudeseo.md. And it's fantastic. Once again, is it perfect? Yes, almost, maybe, perhaps, yes. I don't know if you can find anything of sort live anywhere. And especially with this orchestrator, with his nice speaker. I will put once again so you can hear this music, guys. If you want, whenever you're in, just press on the speaker. You can also press it here, if really. And okay, I'm gonna put it more lower. And once again, guys, this is our SEO OS. The GitHub link will be down in the description. By the way, is this one. I'm gonna just make it from private to public. So it's AI Marketing Hub /SEO OS, everyone. You also find the link down in the description. Once again, what is it? It's the SEO OS. It's the SEO office, a local first SEO agency operating system. Walk into a 3D office, click a desk, get work done. 25 AI specialists run audits, research keywords, validate schema, plan content briefs, and tell you what to do next. Everything they learn lands in a per client second brain on your disk. No cloud, no SaaS, no subscription. I mean, subscription you will need Claude or ChatGPT or Gemini, but you get the point, everyone. So all of them, those are agents. All of them, they will put all the information, all the research, whatever they could find inside this brain. All of the work will be done in parallel. So usually, like how long an AI agent can take to do that, whatever SEO audit and whatever SEO research. But at the same time, I just made this application just for fun. Once again, it's our SEO office, everyone. It's there, it's live. It was built so you can see exactly how our Claude SEO is performing the overall SEO tasks in parallel. So for you to understand exactly how Claude SEO works, then just definitely have a look through our SEO office. It's nice, it's beautiful. How to install it also is quite simple. You can just even copy this link. You can share it with your Claude agent or ChatGPT agent, Codex, whatever, and then you can just prompt it, hey, install this application for me, install it from a computer so we can give it a run. It's a shiny object, I would say, yes, maybe, perhaps, but I hope you like it. It's really fun. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. I mean, this is our SEO office, SEO OS. I hope you're gonna like it. Please like, subscribe, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.